Kids Buzz TV.
Hello, jump into the cabrio straight ahead. It's time to go. Car horn, beep, beep, did you hear that sound? It's the bell, so it's time to drive back to the school ground. It's time for the cars to get all their work done, so get ready for some learning and fun. Vroom, vroom, it's car school.
Car School.
This is Maria's car school. The light is green. The gate is opening. Maria is the first one here today. And here are Maria's students, the construction vehicles.
Hello, little cars. I've prepared a few new tasks for you. Have a look at the board. The first task is to put the roof on the house. The second task is to put the rings on the pyramid. Cars, please settle down. I haven't explained everything yet. The third task is to put the flag on the castle. Who wants to give it a try? Crane truck? Excellent! Then let's go!
The crane truck is going to the construction site to complete Maria's tasks.
Prepare for task number 1.
The crane needs to put a roof on the house. The crane lowers its outriggers and extends its arm. It's working! The crane receives his first star.
Prepare for task number 2.
Do you remember what the vehicle needs to do? He needs to put the rings on the pyramid. The first ring is the biggest. Then the second ring. The third. The fourth. And lastly, the fifth. Excellent! The outriggers are lifted. Let's keep going. The crane truck receives his second star.
Prepare for task number 3.
This is the castle where the crane needs to raise the flag. Do you think our crane truck can do it? Ah! The blocks fell.
Don't you worry, crane truck. Let's try one more time.
The crane did everything well this time. He receives his 3rd star.
Great job! Come back tomorrow for more lessons and tasks.